Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Eric and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as a lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to see each time I upload a new video. So we're gonna get right into it. We are doing this cute little makeup look. This is giving a good bottle of wine. This is giving wine. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely stay tuned. Alright, so I'm starting off using the Nika K Poison Apple palette. This is a really affordable eyeshadow palette, and y'all, like, the eyeshadow is honestly great. So I'm starting off using that burgundy shade. I'm placing that on the outer edge of my eye, and we're doing a halo eye, so I'm going to be placing it on the outer edge, and then excuse me, I'm going to be placing it on the inside of my eyelids. I like doing something that is simple, something that is very achievable, you know. So I'm placing that on my eye, and I'm building up the color. Y'all, look at this color, like instantly the color is there. So I'm going in my Jackie Aina palette, and I'm taking that darker shade, and we're just kind of deepening this burgundy color. That's why I said this is giving wine, a nice little cap, some child. But we're gonna be deepening the color, and we're gonna be setting this up how we like it. Okay, once we get the color how we like it, I'm going into my face powder. I didn't want to do like any other brown. I kind of wanted something to mimic my skin tone, so I went in with my face powder, and we're just going to be blending and what is the word? We're just going to be blending out that color so we can get a nice little transition. And then I'm going back into the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to be using I use a shade all the time. I never know the name of a child, but I will try my best to put in the description box. But I'm using that shade. We're going to put that in the center of our eye, and literally, y'all, this is it. So now we're just going back, we're adding just to get the look how we want. Okay, so once the eyes are done, I'm going to start my face routine. I'm just taking the CoverGirl foundation. I think this is like a deep golden or something like that. And then I'm taking my espresso concealer, the LA Pro, and I'm going to be correcting a little bit. I'm going to go in with LA Pro again. I'm using Toffee, and I'm going to be highlighting underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is the hydrating concealer. What is the shade? I can't think of the name of the shade, but I'm going in with that. You don't have to do this step, but I love doing this step because it just takes my makeup up a notch, and it gives a nice lifted face, child, without the surgery. So we're going to be doing that. Now I'm just going in with my Black Radiance foundation stick, and I'm just going to be warming up the sides of my face, kind of like bronzing basically. Radiance setting powder and banana, and I like to set my brows and things like that. So that's pretty much my face routine right now. I like the way it makes me look. Like, I just feel like I get a nice glam every time. So I'm just going back into the eyes, you guys. I'm putting some black liner. I'm putting that burgundy shade underneath. Yeah, girl, we was feeling that. And we're just gonna be like blending everything out. So lately I've been using a lot of eyeshadow for blush. That's just been kind of my thing. I'm into the orange blush theme here, and I'm just using a little bit gold from my Black Radiance contour palette just to highlight my nose area. I no longer like highlight the sides of my face. I haven't done that in a while. I just don't see the need to anymore. I guess when I'm in the mood I'll do it, but lately I haven't been doing it, so I just been doing my nose. So y'all, it cut off my lip process, but if you see my previous video, I'm using a Black Radiance matte liquid lipstick. Everything will be in the description box because I can't think of the name of the shade. But yeah, you guys, that is all right, you guys. So this is the finished makeup look. What do you think? I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you want to see more, definitely let me know. If you have not subscribed to my channel as of now, subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 250, and you already know that's halfway to 500. So do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see y'all in my next video.